What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress site URL directly in PhpMyAdmin using cPanel. Now, why would you ever need to do this? Well, sometimes you move your WordPress site to a new domain, or maybe you've migrated it to a different hosting account. Other times you might be troubleshooting errors where your site isn't loading correctly because the URL stored in the database is outdated. In cases like this, updating the URL from inside of PhpMyAdmin is one of the fastest and easiest ways to fix this problem. And this is exactly why hosting your website with RackNerd cPanel shared hosting is such a benefit. With PhpMyAdmin already included, you always have direct access to your WordPress database, which gives you the control to troubleshoot and make critical changes whenever you need to. If you're not already hosting with us, I highly recommend checking us out at RackNerd.com. Our plans make managing your site simple, secure, and reliable. Before we dive into the steps, let me also mention that in some of our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to reset your WordPress password and how to update your user email address using PhpMyAdmin. Today's guide ties in perfectly with those because it's another database level fix that can get your site back online quickly. So if you haven't watched those tutorials yet, be sure to check them out after this video. All right, let's move right into the steps. First, log into your cPanel account. Once inside, scroll down to the database section and then click on PhpMyAdmin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of databases. Select the database that belongs to your WordPress site. If you're not sure which one this is, head over to your file manager, open the wp-config.php file, and check the database name inside. Next, once you've opened your database, click on the table called wp_options. Inside of wp_options, look for the rows labeled site URL and home. These two fields store the URL of your WordPress site. Click edit on the site URL row. In the option_value field, replace the old URL with the new one that you want to use. Be sure to include the correct prefix like https:// if your site uses SSL. After that, click go to save the changes. Repeat the same process for the home row, updating it with the new URL as well. Once you've done both fields, go ahead and refresh your site in the browser. In most cases, your WordPress site will now load properly under the new URL. And that's it, you have successfully changed your WordPress site URL using PhpMyAdmin in cPanel. This method is super useful whenever you're migrating your site, switching domains, or troubleshooting URL-related errors. It's also a perfect example of why hosting with RackNerd makes website management so much easier. With cPanel access and PhpMyAdmin included, you have full control over your database and files. So whether you're stuck waiting on support to fix something, you can handle it within just a few minutes. So if you're looking for reliable cPanel hosting, definitely check us out at RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.